Welcome to our channel, Best Project. Today, we will discuss about the topic, speed and direction control of DC motor, using IR remote. DC motors are widely used in many applications like fan, motor, AC, and many other industrial applications. Specific applications requiring speed and direction control for desired performance. To fulfill this purpose, this system is implemented. Let's talk about the components used. It is main switch. It is used to turn on and off the entire system. This nut connector is used to provide 12-volt DC supply to the project setup. This is a voltage regulator circuit to provide constant 5-volt DC supply to Arduino. It is a TSOP used to receive the ER signals coming from the IR remote. The Arduino Nano is the brain of system. It is removable for study purpose. It has following features as described on screen. This nut connector is used to connect the DC motor to the setup. To handle all the operations of motor, this L293D module is used, which is specifically designed to operate DC motors. We will use this 16x2 LCD to display the direction and speed of motor in percentage duty cycle. Please watch complete video for better experience. This adapter we will use to provide 12-volt DC power to Arduino. DC motor is shown, rating is available on the screen, also a fan is attached to better observe the speed and direction of motor. This remote we will use to control the motor according to the desired requirement. Now, we will connect the power adapter to the setup. Time to connect the motor. The process is as shown. Motor is fixed on this platform for hands-free operation. Adapter needs 230 volt AC for its operation. For this, using the extension board. The final setup looks like this, as you can see. Turning on the setup, using the main switch. Project name is appearing on the screen. Name of students appearing on the screen. Let us see how this project work. To increase the speed of motor, volume plus button is used. Speed is increasing according to the remote commands, and also speed and direction is showing on the LCD screen. Again we are increasing the speed. On each press, the speed increases by 2%. You can also hear the voice of increasing speed of motor. Due to large distance, LCD is not visible clearly, but it works so fine. The direction of motor is also printing on the second line of LCD. Using the L293D module, speed and direction is varying. PWM signals are used to vary the speed, and direction is changing by changing the signal between enable pin 1 and 2. Now, let us test by decreasing the motor speed using the volume minus button of remote. According to the LCD, speed is decreasing. To decrease the speed of motor, volume minus button is used. As according to the voice of fan and screen data, speed is decreasing so smoothly. We can also use small and large motor, depending upon the motor driver, current handling capacity. We have many other videos on different topics. Please visit to our channel. If you think this video is useful, please like the video. Concentrate on the fan, the decrease in speed, also we can see on fan's movements. Please share this video with your friends. Let us test the system by changing the direction of fan using the EQ button. Direction is changing, as you can see at the motor fan. Also the direction is showing on the LCD screen. Don't forget to share video with your friends. Motor quickly changes the direction from clockwise to anti-clockwise. After this session, we will have a look on backside wiring. It indicates our system is working very fine. If you wanna buy this setup, visit description box. If you have any queries, please ask in comment section. We will see you in next video. Take care.